Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make something like a copy of a track Caramelle by Mesto. I guess you know this track. It's something like bass tech house or something closer. If you didn't listen to this track, I'll leave the link in the description. Please check this track. So I decided to make something like a copy of this track. It sounds like that. I mean, my copy. I leave the links in description to this project. I'll upload this project to my Patreon and Boosty. If you want to know in details how it was produced, please check all the link in the description. So let me show you what I have in this track. By the way, more detailed review I made on my other channel. I'll leave in the description also. It's something like a 40 minutes review, but I speak other language there. I guess you have the translation because YouTube announced this feature. I guess it works. Please check. Maybe there is English language or your language, maybe Spanish or other languages there. Please check the link in the description where I made a more detailed review. So we have these drums. Something like that. Also we have the sub bass. And we have let's make it step by step. We have something like the synth in the breakdown. Something like that. Also we have here this synth and the bass. So I decided to use here, we have, by the way, automations. Here the automation for reverb. And here we have automation for the flanger. Something like that. Also we have a really cool horn. It's something like a string and a horn. By the way, as you see, I used all the Serum presets. By the way, this main synth, I decided to use just a simple preset, something like a blank preset of Serum, and I decided to make an envelope for it. That's why it sounds really simple in the track by Mesto. So we have here also these pads. Also, we have automation of a cutoff filter here, and we have some fixes like this impact and this well. I know Mesto track has a bit different sound, but I decided to use this well. Anyway, maybe you have some other ideas how to make this track a bit different because maybe you have an idea how to make your own track with other vocals, other bass melody, other key. Maybe you have other idea, but you didn't have information how to make a drop like that. Please feel free to use the links in description to check this project. Maybe you want to make something unique in your genre, in your style, just you didn't find how to make this bass, for example, or these pads, something like that. Anyway, if you want to listen to my version of this track, feel free to check my Telegram channel. I leave this track there, so you can easily listen to it in details from scratch, something like that. So please tell me what do you think about my copy. I know maybe it's not 100%, but maybe 95 maybe. I don't know. Also any thoughts in the comments will help me in my channel, something like that. So Menchu was here. Bye bye, guys.